color of your pearl, huh? Okay. Don't video my face, okay?
Okay.
I don't like Facebook.
Nah, just
Okay, let's do it. This one. Let's see. What's the color? Oh, you have a huge one. That's the biggest one. Look at that. It's cream color. That's very huge. That is the biggest one you can get. Oh, see? See? Cream color means happiness. Happiness. Really pretty, huh? See that? Pretty. Now we're gonna rub it. Only one-time process, okay? To remove the last layer of the culture and to make the pearl shiny also. Okay, usually pearl has belly button. It has like a black thing there, okay? If it's the belly button is very visible, that is a boy pearl. But if it's not, it's a girl.